Second one is going to be a box. So you draw, shoot three, two-handed from back here, from these back two barrels. And then the front barrels, you shoot single-handed on each respective side. So right-handed on the right, support hand on the left. Or if you're left-handed, support side on the right, dominant side on the left. Immediate action looks like what? Show it to me. Tap, rack. Okay, in movement, where's our finger?
Off the trigger.
Off the trigger. What about in a tap rack? Where's our finger? Off the trigger. That's right. When does our finger get to go to the trigger? Yeah, when we're actively engaged in target. Right. Okay. There were errors in that realm, which is not okay. We need to be very conscious of trigger finger. Moving into this last CTE, when you have a malfunction with a strong or weak hand, you need to be very deliberate in your movement. Tap, rack. Okay? If you're weak hand and you want to switch to your strong hand, I don't give a fuck. But make sure that your hand does not go in front of that barrel and that your finger is out of the trigger. On the non-dominant hand, it is a very dangerous and likely chance that your finger will stay in the trigger because it is not as rehearsed or practiced, and that your shooting hand, which in this case is the support hand, might come in front of the barrel because you forget where to go. So when you have a malfunction, especially on the front two barrels, just take a second, tap, rack, and shoot. Finger out of the trigger, tap, rack, and shoot.
Right hand only. Left hand only.